Alrighty, so here we have what is the coefficient of x when this expression here below is simplified. And so the expression that we have is negative 27x minus 2 minus parentheses negative 2x minus 13. So first and foremost, everybody, two things. One, I agree with you if you think that these negatives are mighty distracting, because they are. That's a lot of negative values. So I hear you. So what's more important is to understand what the goal is before we get distracted with shiny object syndrome. Again, it says, what is the coefficient of x? Everybody, because we're adding and subtracting, does this negative 2 or does this negative 13, do they matter right now? If we're just looking for the coefficient of the x, yeah, those don't particularly matter. I'll show you. I'll prove this to you. We have negative 27x minus 2 minus negative 2x minus 13. So what we have here, everybody, is, yeah, we can distribute the negative to each of these. Negative by negative, that gives me a positive 2x. And then a negative by negative 13, that turns into a positive 13. Sure, we can do that. There's no problem with doing that. And then getting rid of the parentheses on the left. Where the problem lies is knowing what to care about, because it says, what is the coefficient of x? A coefficient means the number in front of, the number being multiplied by that value. So we have x, the coefficient here is negative 27. But the answer is not negative 27 because we have a 2 on this x over here. So what we truly need to do, everyone, is we need to combine like terms. We need to combine these two terms here, the negative 27x and the positive 2x. Those are the two terms that we're going to combine because, again, we are only trying to analyze what's in front of the x. That's why. So with that, what we truly have is negative 27x plus 2x, which what this is basically like 27 minus 2, but we keep the sign of the bigger number. So it's going to be 25, but because the bigger number is the 27, the negative, this is now negative 25x. So boom, it's not negative 29 because that 2 is no longer negative. It's positive now after we distributed. So again, it's a trick. A is close, but the correct answer here is D, negative 25.